Welcome to WebStylePress. In this video, we are looking at how can we unminify a minified version of JavaScript file. Sometimes you get a project linked with minified version of JavaScript files. Minified versions of files are same files like source files, but only compressed, less readable, and without spaces. So I have this is my HTML page, and I have linked custom.js file with it. This is the custom.js file. This is pretty much readable, right? And I have its minified version right here. This is the minified version. This is my page, and custom.js is linked with this. What if you need to change something in this file or look for something in it? If you get only a minified version of JavaScript file and you want to change something in it, or you want to look for something in it, what would you do? You can easily minify a JavaScript file. Here is how it is. I am closing this and I am linking the minified version. This is our minified version, custom.min.js. Okay, and this is the page. Let's refresh this, and now we have custom.min.js linked with it. Okay, and so how can we unminify this file? You can go to sources and you can find this file here. I have this file in assets, scripts. This is the custom.js file. Okay, custom.min.js. Okay, double click at it and it will show you the contents of the file. I want to unminify this. So we have got a utility that is pretty print utility, this one. Press this pretty print and you will get the unminified version of that code. You can select all of this code, you can copy this code and you can paste it anywhere, and this is pretty much readable, right? You can easily read it and use it. This code makes sense. So this is how you can unminify a JavaScript file easily. I hope you liked this tutorial, and give it a thumb up. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Take care.